Hello guys, in this opportunity I'm making a video that corresponds to English 2 task number 4, and it is all about talking about my last trip experience, how was it, how was the weather, and I'll give you some recommendations or tips to go there if you want to go. First I'll introduce myself, and then I'll do the presentation. My name is Juan Felipe Castillo Cutiva. I'm 21 years old. I live in Cali, Colombia, and in this moment I'm living with my parents. I have a sister, but she's not with us anymore because she's living now with her husband, and I have two nephews. I'm an employer. I work for a company that is called Dimel Ingeniería. The company is located on kilometer 3 via Cali Candelaria. They are dedicated to metalworking industry. They make poles, and I work in IT area as a software developer, making in-house developings. And yes, that's what I do. Now, talking about my last vacation, I went to Sarasota County, which is located in the state of Florida in the USA. I've been there a couple of times from the first time I went. I think it was in 2014. And the main reason of going there is because my mom's side family lives there. They are living there since 28. There are a bunch of activities to do in the USA. So I went to Universal Studios and I rode on roller coasters. I went to these attractions that are related to the movies and the series we watch all the time, like Harry Potter, The Simpsons, and Transformers. I also went to Livingstone, which is an arcade, and you can go and spend a good time with your family. You can win good prizes and play a lot of games. Now, talking about the weather, when we went there, we were passing winter season. It was between November and February. So if you're a person that likes cold weather, going around these dates worked for you. I had to wear a coat because actually it was cold in outside. We went to play to the park though. And finally, some tips or recommendations for going there if you want to go. It is recommended to visit all the parks that USA have to offer to you. It is not that cheap, but you get a great experience to live. It is important that you have all your documentation and rules, like your visa and your passport, in order to not get in trouble. It is advisable that you always respect the authority. Remember that when you do something bad, they are able to shoot you, no matter what. Well, with this we conclude the presentation. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a good time in the USA.